How to use motion blur in CapCut PC. So if you want to use the motion blur in CapCut PC, then what you need to do is just go with an existing project, or you can go with a new project. And after that, what you can do is just select the video and go with the right side. And here you may have motion blur option, which is right here. Enable that option. And you can go with direction, speed. So I'll be choosing 4 times. And then you can go with direction and you can blend it. So it might take some time to blend. Here you just need to simply wait till it loads to 100% and your motion blur will be added to your video. And if you want to make your videos look more cinematic, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the adjustment option. Under adjustment, you can go with LUT, and here you will have your LUTs. So you can simply import a LUT. For example, I'll be choosing this one. Now, once it loads to 100%, you can play the video, and that's it. That's how you can use motion blur in your CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.